Hello, hello. I am so excited for this one. Take a look at what I have here for you. I have a homemade moisturizer. Now, I've been making a DIY moisturizer for years, and my passion for it grew to my own skincare line, which is the Khichi Beauty skincare. Now, guess what, guys? I'm not going to stop making DIY because from these DIYs is what I am using to make my products. So, I have a trial for you here, okay? This is a carrot facial cream. It's an anti-aging cream that's going to help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. How so? Because it is rich in vitamin A, and vitamin A is known to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It also contains beta carotene. It also contains vitamin C. These are going to help to brighten and lighten the skin and give you that natural glow. This also contains a vitamin E. This cream, guys, is a must try DIY, and I use a variety of facial oils in here, which you can find on my website ALESMAXii.com. However, use the oil you have. Use either 1, 2, or 3, or even 4 oils in this recipe. So if you're interested to see how I make this anti-aging moisturizer, follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to whip it up, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to take care of your skin and get the best result to get naturally glowing skin. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. My first ingredient is going to be carrot, and carrot is rich in beta carotene. I'm using 1 medium carrot. This carrot also contains vitamin A and vitamin C and vitamin D. Carrot can help your skin to look naturally healthy. It gives the skin that youthful glow. So to prepare the carrot, I'm first gonna peel the carrot. If you do not have a peeler, go ahead and scrape the carrot, or you can just simply wash and scrub the carrots. Once the carrot is peeled, let's remove the peel. And what I'm going to do, I am going to be grating the carrot. So reach for your grater. And now let's grate. Now there are many reasons to use carrot on your skin, especially if you have rough skin, if you have large pores, if you have oily skin. If you're looking for a natural glow to the skin, then carrot will get the job done. The fact that it is rich in vitamin A, it also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So after grating the carrot, take a look. Here we have freshly grated carrot. And now what we're going to do, we're going to reach for a small bowl, place a piece of cheesecloth over the bowl, and now we're going to add the carrot to the bowl and we're going to strain. I'm going to use my hands to do this. You can also choose to just use the back of a spoon and extract the juice from the cheesecloth. Now, once this is done, guys, we have here our fresh carrot juice, which is rich in all the essential vitamins that you need for your skin to help you to transform your skin to glowing, youthful looking skin. So this is about a quarter cup of carrot juice. And now I'm going to reach for a saucepan. I'm going to place a piece of cheesecloth in the saucepan. And next, I am going to be adding some water, run about 2 cups of water or so. And then I'm going to reach for the carrot juice, and I'm going to place the carrot juice into the bowl with the water. Now, once this is done, what we're going to do, we're going to steam the carrot juice. So we're going to leave this on the stove top until the water comes to a boil. While this is happening, we're going to stir and stir. Steaming the carrot is gonna help you to have a facial cream much longer, since we are putting some form of a heat source to it, and also it's gonna help to prevent it from going bad really quick. So we're steaming this for about 3 to 5 minutes depending on your stove top. Next, we're going to remove it from the stove top, and we're not going to set it aside to cool. What we're going to do to this, we are going to add some of our oils while this is still very much hot. My first oil is going to be star anise oil. It is an essential oil. It's a very strong essential oil. All you need is a few drops. It will help to tighten and firm the skin while reducing wrinkles and fine lines. So I'm going to pour about 3 to 4 drops of the star anise oil in the mixture. Next, I'm going to reach for my second oil, and this is pomegranate seed oil. It's a very light oil that will not clog the pores. It is rich in vitamin C. You can apply it directly on the skin, or you can mix it with other ingredients, as I'm doing here. It helps the skin to look healthy and give the skin a natural glow. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the pomegranate seed oil. Next, I'm moving on to some grapeseed oil, another very light carrier oil that is great for most skin type. Grapeseed oil help to hydrate the skin, lock moisture in the skin, and also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. I am going to be using 1 tablespoon of the grapeseed oil, adding this to the bowl. My next oil is going to be some apricot oil, and I'm going to be using a tablespoon of the apricot oil. It's a very light oil that helps to hydrate and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. For this recipe, use any 3 of your favorite oil. So 1 tablespoon of apricot oil. And now we're moving on. We are going to be using some aloe vera gel in this recipe. And take a look, here I have green aloe and pink aloe. Well, we all know that aloe vera is rich in antibacterial properties. It's helped to cool the skin. It also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. I'm going to use both in this recipe. I'm using the pink, and I'm also going to use the green. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of pink aloe vera gel, and I'm using 1 tablespoon of the green aloe vera gel. And now I'm just going to give this a stir, just blend everything together. And next I'm going to reach for a blender, and I'm going to pour the mixture in the blender. We're making a creamy facial anti-aging cream. So go ahead and blend, and we're blending this for a couple of minutes depending on the power of your blender. Now once this is done, we're going to reach for a sterilized storage jar. I'm using a small glass jar, and I'm going to pour the mixture in. And now it's ready. Our carrot anti-aging glow skin cream. This you're going to use on your skin, and all you need is just a few drops of this goodness. You're looking for glowing skin, you're looking for hydrated skin, you're looking to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, you're looking to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. Here it is for you. And all you need on your skin is 2 to 3 drops. Apply 2 to 3 drops on your face, your neck, and décolleté. Massage it on the skin both AM and PM right after you use your facial serum, and you're on your way to a more youthful, a more fresher, a more healthy, glowing skin. Now store the leftovers in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. And don't forget to visit ALESMAXii.com. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.